Holidin, Nurul Najwa binti Zainal, and Raidah Iwani binti Ruzaman will be presenting our final year project, which called Clip Memories Booking System. Our supervisor's name is Puan Zalinda binti Ibrahim. For product description, first, customer can view all the package. So the second function is customer can book the photography session with their desired package, place and date. For the third point, the customer can make payments according to the selected package. And the last one is for employees, they can access the system to add photos or videos that help customer to see package. Secondly, for the problem and causes, the old method, which is really unsystematic. For the second one is the data is manually recorded, so it can be duplication of data. So the third one is objective. The first one is create a reservation system that supports an online system for the organized management of reservation information. Second one, create a well-organized photography system. The third one is the booking date picked by the client will be recorded to make it simple for the photographer to organize their schedule. For the fourth one is to make it easy for customer to choose their desired photography package. For significant and benefit, first, personal photographers who wants to promote their service while minimizing data loss or repeating bookings. The second one is easier for photographers to manage their schedules better. So now, Raidah will continue.
Thank you, Najwa. So the next is market potential. The first is personal photographers seeking to market their services. And the second is personal photographers that decide to switch to a website-based booking system. Now, let's move to methodology and material. Phase 1, system planning. The task, cost, or time commitment will be identified during this stage of the SDLC process. All members of the team have been given specific tasks and duties. Phase 2 is system analysis. This includes research, including outlining the issue, completing a project proposal, looking at prior work, developing an initial user interface, data analysis and literature evaluation. Phase 3 is system design. The user interface designation phase is now in progress. Basically, this stage involves designing the application using the elements that we already mentioned. The next is system implementation. Programming language will be used to implement the system for building website and database. These include HTML and CSS for designing and styling the interface, and PHP for writing script that connect with website to the database. The last is system maintenance. We will stay update on the system during the maintenance process to prevent any issue. If a mistake does occur, we will repair it right away. This is to avoid any interruption that make the system unusable. So this is our project picture. This is our homepage, and this for checkout. This admin page for wedding sample, and then this package. This wedding, graduation, baby shower, and dinner. This page for card. So for the conclusion, the project aims to enable customer to place reservation through web-based system.
Demonstration for our Click Memories booking system website. So firstly, on the homepage, so there is a picture that when you hover it, it will zoom out. And then is our motto logo. And then if you click on package, there's a for package, wedding, graduation, baby shower, and dinner. So we click on wedding, and then there is a explanation here. And then this is the wedding package, the price, and then if you want to add this package to cart, you need to log in here. So this is the features, and then click login to continue, and then if user doesn't have any account, they need to sign up first. But if they have account, so they can just log in. So let's say they log in. Okay, then on the home page, there's a reset a password and sign out the account. So we go to package and click on wedding. Okay, they can click on add to cart button, and then they can on the cart they can remove and or just click place order. So let's click on graduation and add to cart also, and then click on place order. Okay, on place order, there's a subtotal for both product, and then the deposit is 50% of the deposit, uh 50% of the subtotal, and then the balance that users should pay through cash or online transfer after the service, and then the total deposit that they need to transfer. Okay, so there's a 3 location that they can put for each package. So this location 1, location 2, and location 3, and then they can pick date, and then they can pick time, and then they can choose any file in PDF format, and they can click balance payment method that they want. So uh let's say they want to remove one of it, they can just click on remove and it will remove. So for quantity, we set it to one only, so they cannot change it to other quantity. So they can click on place order, so they can put the location, and they can pick any date that they desired and the time that they want to start. Because for each package, we have said that how many hours that photographer will be on the location. So let's say they want to start the service at 8 a.m. Okay, and then they need to transfer the deposit, 50% of the deposit, this one, and then choose any choose their receipt in file, PDF format. And then they need to click on balance payment method, with either they want to pay it by cash or online transfer, and then click on make order, and then it will show an alert successfully make order. And then there is the receipt that user will see. And then here, as you can see, there is a deposit receipt. They can download their deposit receipt. And then for sample picture, so there is a sample picture. There is a wedding, graduation, baby shower, and dinner. So let's see for wedding. So for wedding, there's this one, and then this is all the picture that admin can edit. This is all the picture from admin page. Okay, this the same for graduation, baby shower, and dinner. And then for testimony, so for testimony, this is testimony from user that admin can edit. And then for about us, also admin can edit. For contact us, so this for send a message. So basically this is feedback from users. So user can put any message like feedback to this click memories service. Insert, it will say hello, the email address, and your message has been saved. Okay, then let's say I put the same email. So it's also allow user to put many message many times. And then I will show you the admin page. So for admin page, there is an account for admin that has been set. And then so here, as you can see, this is the customer. admin can see the customer account that had been registered to this website. So this is the user ID and this is the number list. So from this number list, admin can know can know that there's a 12 user registered to this website. And then they also can delete any user, and then they also can create new. So for example, let's say there is a customer that walk into user that contact admin by message or by email. So they can register the user here. Admin can register for user also. So let's say the password is not same, it will say password did not match. Okay, so as you can see, alif@gmail.com that we have just entered is view here. Okay, and then for booking, so for booking, the booking info is so the booking info is state here. So as you can see, for this the number, this is the order ID, and this is the user ID. User ID is here. User ID is the same. And let's say user ID is 6, so which means the one that booking is this email, this user. Okay, then this is the package that they choose. If they choose 2, then it will state 2 package. This is the location. So for location, it's just an option for location 2 and location 3. So either user can put it or not. So like this. So it's the date, time, subtotal, and deposit receipt and balance payment method. So basically, admin can download the PDF file that user have upload. Just click on download, and then they also can delete any booking that have been done. Yeah, so it's delete. And then for sample wedding, as you can see, the user can update the image here. So they can pick any image to update the image, and it will say successfully update. So on user page, on sample wedding, or sample graduation or baby shower or dinner, it will also update based on admin update. So there is a 20 picture for each package that admin can put. There's same also for sample graduation, sample baby shower, and sample dinner. So for testimony. So for testimony, admin can update the image and edit the text based on user feedback. So they can choose any image. So it will also update on user, and then they can also edit text. Successfully updated, and then we go to about us. So for about us, user also can edit the text for about us. For example, I just put any word. So it will update. And then for feedback, so basically for feedback is a message that user put that I showed you earlier. So as you can see, this is the message that I put. Good and nice for same user. And then admin also can delete. Yeah. So for testimony, user can edit the text based on user feedback. So like good, nice, good service. So they can just copy and edit it on testimony. Yeah, like that. Okay, now I will show you the user page that has been updated. So as you can see on page sample picture waiting. So I have updated a few other picture. So this is the picture that I have put. I have been put. Also for testimony, the word also change. The picture also change. Okay, so that's all from our group. Thank you.